Hey guys, I'm Emily. Welcome to my channel. If you want to see how I did this look, then keep on watching. Please like and subscribe and comment down below what you guys think. So I'm first going in with the Maybelline Brow Precise, and then I'm going in with the Models Prefer Brow Gel, and this is to define, shape and colour the brows. I am now just taking the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in Fair Clair, and I am using this to shape around the brows just to give a more precise shape and definition. I'm now going in with the ChiChi Eyeshadow palette. I'm using this taupe colour to blend in the crease and create that transition shade. I'm now going in with the Back to Brazil palette, and I'm using the brightest green to create a very colourful green and purple look. Now that the green is fully blended out, I'm going in with the same concealer, and I'm using this to put a better definition in the center of my eye to create the halo eye. I'm now going in with a glitter and some Nyx Glitter glue. This is safe eyeshadow glitter, so don't worry, and I am just putting this on where I have applied the concealer, because that is where I want the glitter to sit. As you can see, I am just taking the silver glitter and I am packing this on where I've applied the concealer and glitter glue. Now I am taking the darker purple shade in the Back to Brazil palette, and I am applying this in the outer corners and going through the crease. Just blending and blending and blending, and this is what is creating the 3 different coloured eyeshadow look. Now that that's all blended out to where I want it to be, I am going in with my Essence liquid liner. I really like this liner, it gives me great pigment. I'm now just going to apply a couple of coats of the Loreal Volume Shake mascara. This is the next step before I start the face. I'm now going in with the L'Oreal Base Magique primer. This I apply to the apples of my cheeks, forehead, chin and nose. This helps just fill in the pores to where I want it to be smooth. I'm now taking 2 different foundations that I like to mix together. This is the W7 Photoshoot in beige and the Wet n Wild Photofocus in, I think, their lighter shade porcelain. I like to blend these together, and I'm just using a brush today to blend it all over the face. I'm now going in again with the Maybelline Concealer in Fair Clair. I'm now using this to conceal, brighten and hide any blemishes that I may have. I will be using a sponge to blend this out. shake things up today, we are applying the Loreal pressed powder in porcelain. I like using this to set my under eyes as it is a bit more compact and a bit more fine milled. I love using it. I'm now going in for contour and bronzing with the Butter Bronzer by Physicians formula. I love this powder. It smells amazing. Oh, it's probably my holy grail contour and bronzer. Now going in with some Fifth Avenue blush in Berry, I think it is. I'm just applying this to the apples of my cheeks and blending backwards. Going back in with the Back to Brazil palette with the purple, I'm blending that under the lower lash line, and this is just to create a different dimension so it all blends together. Using the Back to Brazil palette again, but this time with the green, I'm blending under the purple shadow so everything is blended together and it sits all well and good how I like it. Going back in with the mascara, I am just applying a couple of coats to my lower lashes. This is just to create that definition of beautiful lower lashes when you bat your eyes and pull the pretty faces. I am going in once again with Black Magic IIKON Lashes. These are my favorite. They're so beautiful and fluffy, and they just give my eyelashes so much drama and so much pop. Now going in with the bache antioxidants face mist. I like using this one because it is not one that my eyes actually have a reaction with. You guessed it, going in with one of my new favorite highlighters by Milani. I can't remember what number this is, but I will link it down below. I'm just applying this to the tops of my cheeks, my nose, chin, Cupid's bow, my inner corner, and my brow bone. The final step is applying the matte LA Girl Blackcurrant liquid lipstick. This is one of my favorites when I'm going for a dark punk rock or just a colourful look that I want a darker lip with. I really love this colour, and it's beautiful. Well, here it is, guys, the final look. Let me know what you guys think, and I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah!